Hello. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Xillerated channel. We're here today at Las Vegas Car Meets, Wednesday Invasions, and yeah, that. They're out. They're out. Underrated. Oh. Oh, snaps. What? Sick. It's like a golf cart. That cardboard wide body though. I like it. Hey guys, somebody get me that shirt. I like that shirt, that bod. Like for real. Yo, this Jeep is insane. Holy crap. I like that skeleton door. Oh, so I know the meet video was not that great, but I hope you guys liked the cars that I found interesting. And please leave a comment down below on what you guys think I should do at car meets to improve YouTube content. Because I go to a lot of car meets, like a lot, even though my car is like janky. I go to it a lot anyways. Like I don't really care much about what people think about the car. Because all in all, I'm just really there to hang out, meet new people, get to know them, and talk about cars. There are people that judge, but hey, you gotta be a car enthusiast and like other people's car, because you don't know what they're gonna do with it eventually. Like this, I'm so glad for you guys that are subscribed to the channel and ready to see this thing transform. I got plans. If you follow me on Instagram, I did a little Photoshop that I'll just post up right now, like right here. And as you can see, it's a wide body CD5, and I really do have that planned out. But right now, I'm gonna go change, and we're gonna go ahead and work on installing the M Brother LED light strip for my car interior. So I'll be back in just a few seconds, probably right now. So let's finally install this and get this wired up. It's powered by USB cable, so which is nice. Don't know where I'm gonna mount the little solenoid thingy, or not solenoid, the little input box, but let's get to it and see how and where we're gonna mount these things. I got my flashlight all set. Here's the box, the receiver box. Probably gonna tuck this in here as well with everything else, because that's where I have my little what do you call it, 12-volt box, and I could just tuck away some of the stuff behind here. So that's where I feel like I'm gonna place that, because I don't know where else to put it. So I'm gonna go ahead, got the strip like 2 over here and then 2 running towards the back. I'm just gonna figure out real quick where I want to mount this. Okay, so the way I'm gonna do this, I'm not even gonna remove it. I just removed all the stuff that's inside of my glove box. I'm just gonna take this apart. Usually what I do is let the hinge drop just like that, so you get this whole area exposed. And basically what I'm gonna do is set the box somewhere in here, or maybe where I could stick the antenna out, but keep the LEDs like right there mounted onto this bar right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount that up. I'm gonna use zip ties instead of the 3M sticky tape, because a lot of people in the reviews have been saying that it's some weak stuff and it just drops. So I'm just gonna zip tie it all onto there with the rest of the wires I got. Alright guys, so as you can see, I installed that box right behind the glove compartment, and I have the LED strip right there zip tied. So basically it's just hanging up there by zip tie, and then I got the receiver right there with the antenna pointing out down below right there. So once I close it, that thing is sticking out still, and I got it wired up right behind the LED strip and into one of the USB ports. So here are the colors. I got red, green, blue, white, orange, yellow, cayenne purple, and then you could get to jump 3 colors, I believe, and then jump 7 colors. Then you got the fade, comes in smooth. You got a different setting for fade. I think this one's a lot more subtle. Then we bump up into the music. So there's that. Synchronizing to the sound, I believe. Not sure what sound right now, but let me just play something random. So that was the first setting. Third music setting. Fourth music setting. I noticed that sometimes I forget to say the end outro for my videos, so I'm gonna do it right now before I go change. But please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and don't forget to purchase down below an xillerated sticker, because it helps support not only my channel but also help me come up with projects to do in my car. Basically, here's how the slap looks like. This is the Type 1, the classic, xillerated in Japanese. Do what you love, stay excited. You know, I'm a dream chaser, I have ultra feel, you feel me? But yeah, xillerated. I also got a Type 2, which I'll be putting up right now. I believe I have it on the site now, and it is the Type 2. Basically up top, it has the Japanese saying, do what you love, stay excited. And as well at the bottom, I do what I like, island style. Cause your boy from Hawaii, as you can see. But anyways, peace out, catch you guys in the next video. And also, thanks for the new subscribers and everyone coming from Young Static. It's really, truly amazing that you guys are coming from there, you know? So, I really appreciate it. And I didn't think he was gonna read that letter out loud. And I'll definitely make another video explaining kind of why I'm like always trying to be upbeat. But deep down, honestly, it's a battle in my head. So, gotta keep doing what you love. Remember that. Stay xillerated. Peace out. I'm stuck on